The real hip-hop, MCing and DJing from your own mind, you know.
I guess right now we should start the show.
Who's this suspicious character strapped with the sounds profound, similar to rounds spit by derringers? You're in the terror dome like my man Chuck D said. It's time to dethrone you clones and all you knuckleheads, cause MCs have used up extended warranties.
Your boy's got pink eye. Look at that. Some little pricks obviously farted all over my pillow. I've laid my head down to rest. Poo particles straight in my eye. Fucked my shit up. But fuck it, you can't be a sad cunt when you're looking at stuff like this, look. How nice is that? We're on our way to Sapa. It was a 6-hour bus journey. So yeah, it should be all good. Right, should be getting back to the bus now. We only had a little break. Get something to eat. Yeah, right, peace. Made it to Sapa. Got the real North Face jacket, it's brand new. Obviously it's not fake. Look at this view, mate. Honestly, this is the best view I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah, you hiking me, maybe it's tomorrow?
I've already got one booked.
You have to?
Yeah, I've got a hike booked.
Oh. Are you shopping?
No, I'm fine, thank you. They look nice, but I'm fine. Thank you. Always trying to sell you something, bless them. Yeah, the weather's a bit shit here. It's raining all the time, but makes everything greener, so it's nice. Mate, look at this, look. Everywhere you look, you just see this. How fucking beautiful is that view? Mate, I'm loving Vietnam. Vietnam's definitely, I've only been here for like 3 days. And I think it's the best country I've been to so far. For scenery anyway, definitely. Mate, that pink eye is getting fucking brutal. It's getting swole, mate. I think the poo particles have got on steroids or something. Been injecting that trend. But yeah, tomorrow we're gonna go on a hike. I think anyway, depending on the weather. It's gonna rain, but yeah, we're gonna go on a hike, get some more views. Yeah, that's about it. Today, not much going on. Just walking around. So yeah, I'll probably see you tomorrow in the morning when we go on the hike. Peace. Couldn't let you go, could I, without showing you this? Yeah, I'll show you. See that little waterfall hidden in the trees, in the jungle bit? Mate, I feel so happy here. Just looking at that makes me happy. Looking at this scenery. I could never ever be depressed living here, man. This is fucking epic. Alright, I will let you go now. Peace, see you in the morning. Pink eye, stink eye. Just started the trek. It's going to be quite good. It's not raining. It's about 20% chance of rain. And we've got loads of locals following us. Look, show you.
Hey. Yeah. Hey.
Hey. putting in that work on the farm. All the work they do on the farms, that is hard work, man. And the little kid sitting there holding that frog, thinking, oh, I don't know, but apparently they eat them here. But can't do much, can you? Just stopped off for a little break, and then we'll be off again. Yeah, it's nice. Look at my surroundings. Fucking slipping everywhere around here. Even the guides are slipping. It's fucking mad. It's lovely though. Right, see you in a bit. Peace. Made it to a road, so I won't be slipping over now. Hope you're enjoying it. I don't know if I'm getting much footage, to be fair, but I'm gonna go to the village now. Probably won't record in the village because it's a bit intrusive. So, see you in a bit. Peace. Views here are incredible. Just rice fields, mountains, beautiful. Look at all this bamboo behind me. Epic. Near the village now, so I'll get back to you when we're back on the hike. Peace. Back on the move. Just had something to eat. Yeah, this is the last leg now. See you in a bit. Peace. This is the end. About to get on the bus now. Get back to Zappa Town. Yeah, it's been good. Hope you enjoyed it. Peace. Hey!
Lovely.
Got that on film as well.
See, lovely.
Yeah. What?
Did she slip, did she?
Hey.
One of your guys slipped?
No, me.
Oh.